Hi guys, so this is my monstera deliciosa. I've had this guy for about a year. Um, I found it in an antique shop rooting in water, and it was $5. It was a deal. It was a steal actually. So I snapped it up and I realized that there was also a clipping of prayer plant in it, and there was also a cactus plant in it. So I got 3 plants for the price of $5. It was great. And that's Kazi. He likes to show up when I'm doing things, when I'm filming or taking pictures or doing whatever. So guys, today I'm gonna cut this baby up because it sits in my office, and it sits in that corner right there. And it's just getting too big. So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna cut it, but I just realized that this is a brand new leaf. Well, it was about a month ago or so, but it's already pushing out another one. I don't know if this picks it up, but it's pushing out another one right there. Right, so I don't know. I'm having second thoughts now. I don't know if I want to cut it. Why do I always do this? I always start something and think it's okay. Oh, I can cut it, and then I don't want to. But I am gonna cut it because winter's coming. I can root these, put them elsewhere around the house, and then I can pot them up in the spring. So here we go. Just a few things that I like to have on hand when I'm gonna start cutting is my sanitizer. So I just like to sanitize my scissors or whatever I'm using to cut. Yeah, make sure they're clean, guys, because you don't wanna have transfer any diseases from one plant to another. I've been having such a hard time trying to cut it, but I'm gonna do it. I'm just gonna go ahead and do it. All right, so you want to cut in between the nodes. You want to keep your area roots, and so that's where your new roots will form when you put this guy in water. And actually, this is starting to swell here, so I'll probably get more roots on this one. So I'll probably end up with 2 plants out of this guy, and I can see a leaf forming right there. So that's exciting. Alright, so I'm just gonna root this guy in water for the winter, and in the spring I'll just go ahead and pot it up and give it away, give it to someone. We'll see what happens. So I'm gonna go ahead and make the other cut. And here we go. I'm gonna make one more cut right in between the internodes, they're called. Right? And I hate doing this. Alright guys, so there we go, I did it. I'm just gonna go ahead and pot this one in water. I'm actually gonna get rid of this aerial root. Another one will form. It's not gonna miss that at all. Alright, so I'm just gonna pop this one in water along with my other one. I'm gonna watch this guy root. Alright, so there you have it. It's all cut up, propagating. I just gotta wait for these roots to start to come in. So I'll give you guys a quick update on that when it starts to happen. And I get to keep the mother plant in my corner where I can enjoy it while I'm working each and every day. Yeah, so it is Christmas Eve, and today I'm going to repot my monstera deliciosa cutting that I've had here for a couple of weeks now. It's been sitting here in my office, and I just want to show you guys these roots that I'm getting. Right, so I don't want the roots to get too long, so I'm just gonna go ahead and pot them up tonight and get them ready so that I can set them aside and not have to think about them until the spring. These guys are still pushing out new leaves. I have another cutting here, and it's got a really nice root there, but it also has a new leaf forming right there, so that's pretty exciting. Alright, so I'm gonna keep this one in water. I'm just gonna keep water propagating that one for now, and I'm just gonna pot this one up. So the potting medium that I'm using today is 1 part cactus soil, 1 part regular peat moss, and one part perlite, and I also threw some orchid bark or pine bark in there to add drainage. As you can see, it's nice and fluffy. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pot this baby up, get it ready for the winter. The winter's here. Alright guys, so if you're getting anything out of this video, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification so you don't miss the update, alright?